All right, number 1 is a continuation of numbers 1 and 2 from last time. We're really just drilling the heck out of this rhythm. But thing to keep in mind, thing to remember, 3 beats here sets the strumming pattern. So the 1 E, 2 and E and then that is going to repeat. So we got that 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and then 5, 6, 7, 8 times. So notice here it does not say 4x. It's just got to be doing twice through when you add in the repeat. And when you're playing this, count it as if it was a 3/4 time signature instead of doing all 4 beats, because it's just way easier, far less confusing. You just got to be careful of when you change the chords. So when I'm counting this, that's beat 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So that chord will change when you're saying or thinking about beat number 2 or saying beat number 2. And then that would be 3, 1, 2, 3. So then this chord will change when beat 3 happens, when we're looking at it from the 3/4 time signature. So kind of thinking about where you're changing it's really helpful. So you start on the 1, you cycle through all 3 beats, and then when you begin all 3 beats again, you'll change on the 2. You finish the 3-beat cycle. When you start the 3-beat cycle once more, you'll change it on beat 3, and then finish out or do another 3-beat cycle with that same chord, and then it just starts over again. So here is the demonstration, 60. And you can always start it slower. You can also work it up slower than 5 BPM. Never a bad idea. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 E, a 2 and 1 E, a 2 and E and 3. I said 3. I'm not supposed to say 3 because we don't play on beat 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 E, a 2 and 1 E, a 2 and 1 E, a 2 E and. Well, I'm really screwing this up. 1 E, a 2 and E and 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 1 E, a 2 and E and. There. Good Lord. All right, 90 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 E, a 2 and E and 1 E, a 2 and E and 1 E, a 2 and E and 1 E, and E and 1 E. 2 and E and 1 E and 2 and E and 1 E and 2 and E and 120. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 E and 2 and E and 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 1 E and 2. Accidentally hit the strings on the way up, but I wasn't supposed to. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 E, a 2 and E and 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 1 E, a 2 and E and. And 150. Let's give this a try. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's give 180 a try. All right, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. goddamn. Let's go to 140 for the repeats. Or the repeat. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Damn. No, I was actually going to be right. I second guessed myself. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, holy moly. Alright, number 2. So here, you got this chord played 3 times in a row. Then you play this chord just once and then right back up. So this here is your dotted 8th notes, and that means it is 3 16th notes long. So basically this right here is the same rhythm as that, minus these 2 chords being strummed. So this is to set up feeling out the rhythm properly, getting the strumming in correctly, because when you get here for the dotted 8th notes, very important, do the ghost strums, especially at the slower speeds, because it's very easy to misjudge how long that's ringing out. So do the ghost strums. You'll hit that chord on the downstroke, you'll miss an upstroke, miss a downstroke, and then hit an upstroke. So basically you do this the same way here, except you miss hitting those 2 chords. I hope that makes sense. Let's demonstrate. Alright, and even counting the stuff that you're not playing in here for the dotted 8th note, that's a good idea. It'll help keep things spaced out properly. So, 1E and a 2, 3E and a 4, 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 1E and a 2, 3E and a 4. Alright, whoops, I had the wrong window selected. I was trying to change the tempo. Alright, go to 90 next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 1 and a 2, 3 and a 2, 3 and a 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, try 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to 140. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 160. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we go ahead and stop there. Time for the repeats. So he has this one 4 times through. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. let's go over the chords next. Remember, when you put in the chord names, hang on, I gotta change the setting here. Yeah, when you go to put in the chord names, if you don't want all this stuff at the top of the page, make sure display diagram is turned off. You want that display diagram turned off. Unless you like having it up here. I know for me, it bugs the crap out of me. That's my aesthetic preference. And I blame the autism for that. And that's not a joke. Yeah, my autistic brain is like, what is that? Anyway, if you don't like it up there either, make sure display diagram is turned off. But if you do like it, well, keep it there. All right. So going through this now, so that was already done. Those chord shapes you already know, but I got to make sure everything looks right. So I'm going to run through it. Okay, so starting to see, yep. All right, all that looks good. So this. Alright, yeah, so I hit that chord, 3 fingers, and then I go third, first, or second, third, and second, first, third. And then I go second. Man, where's my brain today? Bar 18, F chord, third, second, and first finger. D minor over F. I'm going middle, first, third. The B diminished over F. I'm going first, third, second. Just bar that one. Here, I'll go ring finger, or third, first, and fourth. Third finger, first finger, fourth. And then the last bunch of chords. Hold on. What the heck? Oh, there it is. All right, that, move you up. So yeah, last group of chords. So you could hold the F over A like that with like your ring first and second. Going from the A minor to the F over A. Usually you just gotta put your index finger down and bar it. And then the D minor over A. So no pinky. I mean, you could. But typically when you hold a D minor chord, it's just 3 fingers. G diminished. And then yeah, just from there, move your hand up. So this way you're using the same shape. The same fingers for the same shape. Yeah, B diminished, G over B, E minor over B, C, A minor, just bar that. So here you could keep the bar and just put like your middle finger down for the F over C. I instinctively want to go like this because that's what you do for the D major chord. And that's the same shape here, just minus that bass note, or the D string note. And then D minor, B diminished over D. So this is just like playing that, like an A minor over C from earlier. So middle, first, and third for that B diminished over D. D minor, B diminished over D, G over D. So yeah, first finger, third finger, second finger. And then E minor, C over E, A minor over E, F over just F. Bar that. So for this one, I just want to go straight to that. So D minor over F, the B diminished over F. I instinctively want to just put my ring finger down for that. You could do it like this. First, fourth, and second finger. But I guess that feels a bit easier for this shape. Yeah, just barring it, put the ring finger down. And then G, E minor over G, C over G. But again, for that, I like using all three fingers. There we go. So hopefully that helps. And then next week, I believe we're going to start working with suspended chords. So we've drilled the ever-living hell out of triads. Now it's time to move to suspended chords. All right. Any questions, let me know. I'll see you again next week.